Hi, this is Kayla Finlayson with CIT 336, and I'm going to show you the connections page that we created and the error page, as well as some PHP MyAdmin stuff that we did. So here's my connections function, and it is headed to the Acme database, and we made sure that the user and password are correct and everything is connecting. And when it is correct, we run and we get a blank page. And then when it isn't correct, we run and we get this, the server error page. And this is just headed off of this error page that we made out of our template from earlier and just added like, hey, sorry, the server is broken. And then we needed to create a database and then edit the database using the proxy server. So first, I'm going to show you adding a new client into the client server here. And then so we'll go to clients. Oh, and I need to delete him because he's there. Okay, so we'll go to clients, and then we will go to SQL and copy that insert into clients, and then the columns that we're editing, and then the values that we're putting in all of those columns. And we press go, and it says correct. And then we go to client, and we see that Tony Stark is here. And then the next one is we're going to change his client level, and we need to make sure we know his client ID. And in this case, it is client ID number 3. So we will head back here, and we'll take our update statement, and then we will SQL, and we'll make sure we have client level 3, and his client ID is 3 at the moment. I don't know why this is changing. I'm going to look into that next, but press go, and that was corrected. So now Tony Stark is client level 3. Next, we will do an update of the inventory where we change a nylon rope to a climbing rope. And so I'm going to go here to inventory, and you can see that the nylon rope is inventory ID number 15. And you go over, and the style is nylon. And then also in the description, it says nylon. So we're going to go here to the SQL. We're going to put that in, and you can see here we're replacing in the name, we're replacing nylon. In the description, we're replacing nylon with climbing, and in the style, we're also replacing it. And we make sure that it's in ID 15 so it knows what we're talking about. Press go, and it says yes, and we'll go check to make sure number 15 is now a climbing rope, this climbing rope, and we go over, and the style is climbing. Sweet. Okay, so now the next one is going to be just receiving all of the items from the miscellaneous category. And this is pretty cool when you want to just kind of not look at everything like we were in inventory. Like, this is a whole list of everything, but I just want to look at the things in this miscellaneous category. So we'll go like that, and we're using an inner join of categories where the category ID equals 3, which will be the miscellaneous category. Press go, and that says yes. And here we have all of the miscellaneous category items. I thought that was a really cool thing, and I'm really excited to learn more how to use that. And then we will delete the car from our category. I'm a little nervous about doing this because I don't know how to get it back, but I'm hoping I'll be able to. So we're here going to SQL, and then we're going to delete the car. Yes, I do. 1 row affected. All right, now we look at inventory. There's no more car. It looks like it was slot number 7, and now that's gone. So that is everything we were supposed to do for this week, and I really enjoyed learning all this stuff and working with my learning team to make sure we all got it correct. correct. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. And stop.